What's the meaning of colloquy? Colloquy. Colloquy.
Colloquy. Colloquy. Colloquy is a noun that refers to a conversation, especially a formal one. It can also mean a discussion between people with different views or opinions, or a literary work in the form of a dialogue. Colloquies are often used in academic and professional settings to facilitate the exchange of ideas and promote understanding. They are also used in literature to create dynamic interactions between characters. Overall, colloquies serve as a tool for communication and intellectual growth, allowing individuals to engage in meaningful conversations and learn from each other's perspectives.